Now we are going to do a quick recap of articles. What are the three articles? A, an, and the. These are the three articles. Okay. Now we will just recapitulate when to put a, when to put an, and when to use the. What is an article? An article is a word that comes before the noun. For example, the boy, a bee, and apple. Now, a and the are the three articles. Which are the indefinite articles? A and an are the indefinite articles. Now, how to determine which one to choose? A is used before the words beginning with a consonant sound. Children, I told you specifically it's consonant sound and not consonant letter. It's the consonant sound. Clear? So A is used before words that starts with consonant sound. And an are used before those words which start with begin with a vowel sound. Now here we are with the rules. See. So we already have known that A is used before the words which start with a consonant sound and an is used before the words which start with a vowel sound. A should agree with the first sound in the adjective or the adverb adjective combination which stands before a noun. So the first sound that you hear is it might be an adjective or it might be an adverb adjective combination. So that is the one with which you use the article a or an. Similarly, before words or letters or numbers which sound like they begin with consonant even if the first letter is a vowel. So you have to identify the sound, not the letter. Use an before words, letters, number which sound like they start with a vowel even if they start with a consonant. We use all the indefinite article a or an to show that someone or something belong to a particular group. Now we come to the article the. The is the definite article. When do we use the? The is used after we have already talked about something for the first time. Then the is used when we are talking about something which the person already knows. Next we use the about some general places. And finally we use the when we are talking about something that is there is only one. That thing is only one and everyone knows about it. Clear? So there are 4 places in this slide where we talk about the. In addition to this, we also use the with musical instruments with one of the kind that I already said. Some countries, which countries? Those countries which have got some special geographical features. The oceans and seas, nationalities or families, mountain ranges, rivers and groups of people. So with these nouns we always use the article the. The is also used before a singular countable noun that represents a whole class of animal or thing. Next, we also use the with the superlative adjectives. Always use the with the superlative adjectives. See, this is another important slide. Generally, we do not use definite article the in front of proper nouns like name of person. But when that proper noun is used as an adjective in a sentence, then we use the in front of that word. Like the Sachin Tendulkar. It's a proper noun. But in this sentence, the name is being used as an adjective. So we are using the before that. When any adjective is used as a title, we always put the before it, like Akbar the Great. So we are specifically using this adjective as a title. Now when we do not use, which are the place situations where we do not use any article? First, when we talk about anything in general. Second, when we talk about any sports or games. And third, when we talk about the countries, except few. Again, we do not use the before mountain peaks. General mountains we say the, but before specific mountain peaks we do not use the. We do not use the in front of any disease except measles and mumps. And before material noun we do not use the. Okay? So that's all with articles. I hope you all have understood. This was just a recapitulation. Go through the slides. I had already explained to you the articles. So it will be easy for you to recap once again. Clear?